Welcome back to vlog number 6 of the Makddy YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in and hope you guys have liked the content so far. On my left I've got Adam from Albus Constructions. Adam, how are you?
Hello everyone, my name's Adam from Albus Constructions. Today we're going to dive into a refurb of this trailer. The boys from Mack Civil reached out with a vision to transform this trailer not only into a mobile workshop but add a bit of luxury inside. We'll take you through, show you what we're going to do.
Let's go have a look. So we've purchased this trailer recently. Obviously with all the cars that we're building and what we're trying to achieve, we thought we need a big rig, and we stumbled across this beast in Perth, which was used for a drag team over there actually. So we purchased it a couple of weeks ago. If you have a look inside, the original condition of it. So this trailer was actually, I think, purchased from the States. It was a frontline trailer. I think they're a massive company over there that build pretty much all the race car trailers over there for the big drag teams and stuff like that, and NASCAR and everything else. They've been around for a very long time. So this thing, it's a few years old. The fit out was recently done on it a few years ago by the guys that purchased it over in Perth for their team. It's a bit dated. Looks like a bit of a
needs a bit of love.
old strip club vibes, bit of black and blue. So we said, you know what, instead of trying to put lipstick on a pig, so to speak, we thought let's just rip the whole thing apart and start over again. We've got the actual platform, the body, which is the most important thing. You can see that they've gone all out back then, and they've spent some money. Full usable kitchen, microwaves, ovens, fridges. The thing is, when you're at the track, you don't realize how much utilities you need and how much storage and stuff like that you need. And especially if you're traveling around the country, you want to have as much space as you can have. Storage, sleeping quarters, toilets. It's all the little things that you don't appreciate until you don't have them, sort of like when you go camping. So this bad boy was equipped with everything that we need, but we just want to make it sort of suit what we're doing and the purpose. So we thought, let's just get Adam in. He builds luxury homes for a living. Diving
into something a little different.
We got him doing something out of his space, but that's what he likes to do, just like I do. And we're going to come up with a game plan to sort of deck this out, give it a bit of a modern vibe, open it up with some brighter colors, make it a bit more usable, and make it more practical for us to use when we're at the track. And if you walk through, and Adam will give you a little explanation of what we plan to do up here.
All right, so initially we're going to defit all the electrical, check all the wiring, make sure everything's all good. Then we're going to plan to just gut out this place completely. So we've got the kitchen alongside with your lounge area here. So the plan is we're going to strip this whole section out, keep it a empty canvas, and along the way we're going to go along with the design and construct, put together a similar layout, but we're going to spice it up, get it all modern, keep the lounge room here. We're going to keep the kitchen, but we're just going to change the configuration as we go.
So make it a bit more open plan, so to speak.
We'll get rid of this.
Yeah,
we'll get rid of this partition wall here.
It was just missing a stripper pole.
Yeah, that's it.
It's giving me them vibes being in here.
So we'll take him through the best room in the house.
Yeah. Well, the room definitely looks like something that belongs in the cross back in the day.
The bed sheets came with it as well.
Custom bed sheets, mate. They are unbelievable. Look at that. Like, what more could you want? How sexy is that? Talk about setting the mood. Look at the leopard print. Look at this. Honestly, like, could you ask for anything better?
Try it out, get it.
Go have a lady. So as you can see, I'm sure it would have been really nice at its time, but fast track, however many years this was done, times have changed, so we're going to modernize it. We're going to reconfigure this a little bit. So a big thing at the track is obviously when we do our logs and tuning and stuff like that, and you know, Anthony typically likes to just sit his laptop on top of the roof of a car because he's on the go so much. So we're going to give him a bit of a little office here with a screen desk to sort of be able to come in here on a hot day, have some air conditioning, be able to sit, and sort of be a bit more comfortable in terms of doing that. Have the boys in here, you know, the whole team, you know, whether it's the chassis guys from Profab or transmission guys, ProTrans, or whoever it is that's involved, to be able to come sit in here comfortably and make decisions to do the tweaking to the car that's required. Also, it will have a sleeping quarter, so we're thinking about maybe putting a sofa bed in the back there that folds out, folds back in, so that way we can have sort of utilize it as both an office and a sleeping quarter. So this will get sort of designed on the go as we go, and
so floors, ceilings, walls, that's all coming out.
Pretty much you're going to strip the whole interior.
Yeah.
So that's what's happening up here. Up the top, if you have a look, obviously this is where you store the cars for transportation. I think we would comfortably fit two cars in there. This whole top section as well will be stripped and redone with some new cladding paneling type system. This doesn't need too much bling, so to speak. It's just going to be practical and neat and nice and clean for the cars. What else?
We have the rear workshop, which doesn't require a lot of work, just mainly the walls, floors.
Yeah, you got the workshop at the back. We'll go have a look at that as well. But let us know what you think. Put some comments down the bottom.
If anyone has any ideas.
Any ideas of what you think the trailer should have, themes, colors. If you guys want to be part of it, let us know and put them in the comments, and we'll definitely take it on board. It's actually like designing a house.
It's pretty much like a house.
You wanna try and get it all nice. Yeah, that's right. So that's the plan for the trailer. We thought that we would share this with you guys. Obviously, we want to show you the whole process of sort of building the team up, building the whole crew up, building everything from the cars, even including the trailers. And we'll show you progress videos as we go through. We'll take you through to the back. You want to have a look at the back? It's pretty stripped. This was all together at some point. Well, today.
Pretty much today, yeah.
3 hours ago, this was all together, working, functioning, lights, everything was working. So it wasn't in bad condition to start with. It was just a bit dated, obviously. But if you look, even the exterior's in pretty good condition. It's decent size, like it's massive, huge. It's like a fucking maze of wires in here.
Yeah, a lot of wiring.
So obviously workshop area. This is in pretty good condition. It wasn't really that bad. It'll be mainly just changing cabinetries, joineries, stuff like that, flooring, lights. But practically, this is perfect, and this is what most race teams have at the track. A workshop that's functional and practical, because when you're there, you don't have the luxury to have everything that you need. So having this much storage allows you to carry as many bits and pieces that you need for when things go wrong, and also a space for you to work. So having this part of the truck is really what it's all about. The other side is just more for when you're relaxing, downtime and stuff like that. But this is really what the truck serves its purpose, where you have an area for you to be able to work and do what you need. We should be able to get our buggy down here, so 2 cars upstairs, buggy down here for transportation. But overall, you can say that it's in pretty good condition.
It's in great condition. Yeah. It just needs a bit of love.
Yeah.
Redesigning.
Yeah. So I think once we've got it gutted out, I think we should, it'll be a good platform once you've gutted it out, right?
And we got the bathroom. I'm not too sure if we're gonna.
Yeah. There's a bathroom back here. I'm not sure what we're gonna do with that, but it's a bit small. Just a little bit small. But it's not bad. It's actually not bad. So what else? How long do you reckon before this thing's stripped?
Plan is to have it stripped by, say, Tuesday, Wednesday next week. That way we'll have a look at the space we've got, we'll put a plan together. So it's gonna go along with it, just the design and construct along the way.
So there you have it. That's the new Mack Racing trailer. We'll keep you guys updated with progress videos and posts and stuff like that. But like I said, if you guys have any input, or if you guys want to send us any of your ideas of what you think the color scheme should look like, or designs or layouts, we're happy to hear it all out.
Definitely.
The more ideas, the better. And we'll keep you updated. Thanks, Adam, for doing this.
Appreciate it.
Thank you. And we'll hit you guys soon with another vlog. Hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe, and give us some love on the channel. Thank you.
you know they are feeling me. I got my haters sick, someone put them out their misery. Mickey, how you get?
Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to run you through our progress for this trailer build. Follow me through. As you guys can see, the initial plan was just a refurb, just to freshen up, but we've gone all out. We've pretty much stripped and gutted this whole entire level. As shown in the previous video, we had our kitchenette area at the front, along with our lounge room. We did have a dividing wall in between. This was our bathroom location, and we have our workshop at the back here. Our plan is now to keep the original kitchen area and the lounge room. We'll be shifting the bathroom over to accommodate for an entry door into the workshop on the side of the truck. We'll be freshening up all these bench tops, all brand new joinery, brand new strip lights, new liftgate motor. So we're pretty much going to be running this whole project, freshening up all the electrical to run off an automated system. So it'll pretty much be a brand new trailer. Let us know if you guys have any ideas for us. Alright guys, so initially this was the bedroom. We plan to make this a media room with some fold down desks where the boys can do all their media work here. We will incorporate a sofa or a bunk bed. We're still to decide. We'll also be running LED strip lights, new electrical. We'll also be changing all the windows. Fuck the windows off, don't worry about that. Guys, so the upper level where we'll have the race cars stored. As you can see, we've stripped out all the flooring, walls and ceilings. We're running all new wiring, flooring, wall panels, ceilings, and we'll just keep it nice and neat for the cars to be stored. All right guys, I'll take you through to our lift gate. Since we'll be updating the whole interior, we thought we'd go ahead with the new motor for the lift gate, along with a new control board panel. Plan is to be changing all the sensors, all the system, to get everything up to date. So that's it today, it's fucking hot. That's it for today guys. We'll keep you updated in the next couple of weeks on our progress. If you do have any ideas, please reach out, let us know, and stay tuned.